Welcome loves to Makeup Channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing an inspired Sabrina Carpenter's makeup look. Obsessed, really love it, and I don't really know if she has a lot of glow or it's a little bit of sweaty makeup or skin glass, whatever, but I try to reduplicate it and it looks like I have a lot of glow or it looks like I'm sweating. You choose for yourself. In case you're interested in how to get this type of glam, please stay tuned and let's get started. Started with Aqua Peeling Toner. This is Korean brand. You can use any sort of toner to prepare your skin before makeup. On top, go with sun cream with the moisturizing effect as well. And the ordinary primer goes on top. Then with the corrector palette, I'm using two colors, a little bit of purple lavender shade and green. This is going to ensure that my foundation is not going to look orange. I use CATRICE foundation. Half a pump is more than enough, and with a foundation brush, transfer all over the face. Foundation brush might leave some strikes. That's why I'm going on top with a beauty blender, damp with beauty blender. I have correctors from L.A.Girl, and I used a little bit on the side of my eyeshadow palette, and then transferred this over forehead, over my cheekbones, and of course created a nose contour. To make sure that it's really well blended, I used beauty blender on top as I did with the foundation. Now I'm ready to apply my concealer. I used a combination of Essence and e.l.f. concealers, one for neutral complexion, the second one is for pink undertones. And then with a brush, I wanted to spread this to the place that I want this concealer to be, and beauty blender helped to melt this into my foundation. For my under eye, I used my fingers first and then beauty blender on top. Next step is powder. This one is from Makeup Revolution, and I'm using big and fluffy brush to lightly brush the face. With Eclipse sculptor, I wanted to use this for the sides of the face. For the forehead, I'm using bronzer from Wet n Wild and a little bit over my nose tip. Then with MUA Makeup Academy blush, I transferred this on my cheekbones and a little bit my nose. That was it, and I moved to my brows. The brows are gonna be, I'm gonna create a shape, then fill them in with the same color, and use a little bit of gel on top with a mix of NYX brow pencil. Then I spritzed my face with Essence Fix-In Spray, used a little bit of this beautiful wet highlighter, and on top used my regular highlighter from Beige Cosmetics. Actually, it's shimmery eyeshadows, but it works perfectly well for the look. Well, guys, I'm literally sweating. I have no idea how I'm supposed to do the rest of this makeup look, but it's really, really pretty. I love the foundation. I love the base. It's similar to Sabrina's makeup look. Okay, now we're going to a little bit different part. I'm gonna do my eyes, and I'm not gonna do a voiceover. Let's do this together. Let's just have a chat. Let's talk. I'm gonna definitely go with my eyeliner. I feel like eyeliner is gonna give a little bit more precise look than eye pencil. I can't do eyeliner. It's just really hard for me, but we're gonna try to do something really similar. I'll blend out my concealer from Maybelline, and I'll set my lid with this beautiful like nude color. Grab my fluffy brush and set the lid. And I'm doing this with my Makeup Forever eyeliner. It's really, really matte. Okay, let's do a flat, and I don't really want to do crazy. Oof, like that, and it has to be sort of thin. And I need to extend my line to my inner corner. Now with a little bit different brush, this is pointy crease brush. I will do this grayish color. It's a little bit brown and gray at the same time. I'm gonna tap it off and start bringing this on top of my line. Incorporate it into my liner. We're gonna focus gray shade primarily close to the eyeliner, and then with a little bit different brush, let's do it with fluffy big brush. I want to make sure that I don't really have any color on, and just bring this higher. And in the inner corner as well as the middle part of my lid, I'm going with probably this pretty kind of lemony shade, and let's do this with a finger like that. And I want to do a little bit more. This white shimmers, just gonna be in the inner corner only. Black eye pencil right here. The same grayish color goes underneath my eye. Look up and diffuse. And finally, I have a little bit more of this white in the inner. I need to coat my lashes with waterproof mascara. Well, I'm finally back with the final result, and now I need to make sure that the lip is matching the vibe. I'm gonna do my NYX lingerie, whatever lipstick. I have a little bit of this Eveline color Beige Sensation 15, and I'll place it in the center. I have my lip brush. I need to clean before I use it, and I'll just spread it over my lip. On top of this, I'll use my pencil. Let's see if I need to smudge this out a little bit, and I believe she has a little bit of gloss on top. I'm gonna make sure that it doesn't look rough. I really love this transformation. I love the blush, I love the gloss, love everything, and probably would need to add a little bit more blush. Let's do with this shade. Just tiniest bit. Okay guys, and this is the final result of Sabrina Carpenter's makeup look. Obsessed, love it. Look at the glow. And I hope I'm gonna see you in the next video, guys. Love you all. Bye bye.